Hey guys, WBTreece here from WBTreece Consultants. I'm about to take you through a quick snippet of commercial code check. Let's get to it. Easy commercial code check 7. Openings. This is still in the building section. This is a tab that says building and fire separation, but the main heading here is openings. General. Exit ways may not have openings except for egress and access doors. There's a couple other sub points to that, but that's the big point. Ducts, air transfers, penetrations, and passageways have special guidelines. You want to consult further into chapter 7 and 10 for that. Fire doors, the door and frame each require manufacturer labeling. The door must also show the rating, and the frame shows a third-party inspection label. Labels must conform to NFPA 80. Vision panes, max 100 square inches with each dimension. That'll be height and width being a max of 10 inches. Vision panes that are subject to impact require safety glazing. Big heading here under penetrations. For the one-sided, the membrane penetrations, anything that applies to the through penetration also applies to the membrane. Steel boxes are allowed in wall or ceiling membranes if each is a max 16 square inches and the total openings in the entire wall or ceiling are 100 square inches. Listed and labeled boxes are allowed if they're installed according to manufacturer's instructions or AMI in your code check books. For through penetrations, they must be installed as tested in approved fire resistance rated assemblies or with penetration fire stop systems, except for metal pipe or conduit or in the annular space, which is the space between floors to allow the building to move. Draft stopping and fire blocking. Draft stopping, the purpose is to arrest draft openings in concealed attic and underfloor spaces. This is performed, in our second note, by using either drywall, structural panels, 1x lumber, cement board, or supported types of insulation. Draft stopping is not required in fully automatic sprinklered buildings. Draft stopping is required at sleeping and dwelling unit separations and in attics of R1 or R2 buildings. It is required to subdivide attics up to 3,000 square feet in other occupancy classes. Fire blocking for combustible construction. The purpose is to stop drafts in smaller concealed spaces like under stairs. No combustible draft stopping or fire blocking is required in type 1 or 2 construction. It is required at concealed wall spaces, at floor-to-ceiling intersections, and at 10-foot intervals horizontally. That is Code Check, page 7. I'm Britt from WBTreece Consultants and WBTC3.com. Thanks again.